Wang Choo-choo! Welcome to Letter G Station! Today we're visiting Giraffe's garden. Are you ready? Let's explore! Look, this is uppercase G, and this is lowercase g. Can you say G, 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 G? Great job! G is for giraffe. Wow! Look at the tall giraffe! Can you stretch your neck up high like a giraffe? Reach, reach, reach! Red G is for grapes. Yum! Look at the juicy purple grapes hanging from the vine. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Watch G is for goat. Listen! The happy goat says, Ma, Ma, can you jump like a playful goat? Hop, hop, hop! Now it's game time! Can you find the giraffe? Great! Can you find the grapes? Awesome! Where's the goat? You found them all! Today